Hi everyone, I'm excited to do a video on the basics of Nmap. So we're going to go over Nmap today. It's a very powerful reconnaissance tool that is widely used. It's free, open source, and often used by cybersecurity professionals. Disclaimer here, what I am teaching here and going over is solely for educational purposes and should not be used in any illegal manner. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so with this tool, it's going to allow us to get information on a website, an IP address, so on and so forth, of a particular designated website. It's basically going to give us some well-needed reconnaissance information before we go ahead and let's say target that particular website for, let's say, pen testing in this instance. Nmap is available on many different platforms. For this basic video, I am just going to use what is installed in Kali Linux. As you can see, I do have Kali Linux open here. Now, as far as installing on Windows and other operating systems, I'm not going to go over that. I'm just going to stick with the basics as far as the functions of Nmap, which is a very popular program, as I mentioned. All right, so go ahead and open this as far as seeing if this will install and how to. Just go ahead and go to nmap.org if you have something other than Kali Linux. We're going to click Nmap here, and we're going to start this up, and as you can see, I am now in the command prompt. Alright, so after I loaded this, we're going to get this information up in Kali Linux. Go to the bottom here, and then you're going to see some examples right here, and you can see -v-a scam me scan, sorry, I think I said scam, .nmap.org. Basically, that right there is a website that you can legally scan as long as you don't overdo it, but the Nmap allows you to go ahead and have some fun, test out your new program, and go to it. There's the IP address right below. -v is version, so just keep in mind that if you plan on scanning a website and you do not have permission, that is illegal. So if you get this need that you need to scan, once again, scan the legal Nmap website. Link is right here. All right, now moving forward, everybody. Okay, so why don't we try our first scan right here. Something very simple. Go ahead and type in NSLOOKUP. Okay, I already typed that in, NSLOOKUP. And then what you want to do is enter here where it says examples, -a. You don't have to put that -a though, but just go ahead and type in scanme.nmap.org. Go ahead and press return, and what you're going to get back is you're going to get up the name server lookup right here, and then you have the server, and then you have the address, and just giving you some details. Okay, so again, we are authorized to go ahead and scan that, and I know I'm repeating myself here, but I can't emphasize this enough for your safety. From a legal standpoint, you want to make sure that you're only scanning those things that you are permitted to scan. So, all right, got some information here, and let's get on to something else here regarding Nmap. All right, why don't we try something as far as, let's say you are scanning and you want to make sure that you save those results. What this is going to do is save the results in this text file. So wherever you're working in, whatever folder, it's going to go ahead and just create a text file and save it in that. So here we are. As you can see, we are in the root folder, which is where it's saved, and then there's the text file, and then we'll open that up, and basically this is the information on that save that we just did, that text document. Okay, so that's the NS lookup information. So yes, I would say get acquainted with these very simple commands that you can use with Nmap, because you're going to be using it a lot with reconnaissance, and practice it. I'll be doing more videos on this, but I wanted to emphasize today that Nmap is a very useful reconnaissance tool. You want to learn this, and you want to go ahead and study it. Make sure that you're practicing on the Nmap provided website, so you can go ahead and scan legally, and you're going to learn a lot. Very useful. Look forward to making more videos, and thanks for watching.